I think 3 points are more important. वो जैसे Allegri बोलता है, if you want entertainment, go to the circus.
I love the spiciness. You need this in the game. You know, this is a rivalry. End of the day, you can't have the soft, utter woke nonsense derbies anymore. Where I mean,
कारवाल का भी आप अगर आप देखो तो कारवाल भी back in 2017 he also showed middle fingers to Barca fans and all those things and he was not criticized for it.
Running out of superlatives for Modric, playing on a pure number 6, ball distribution, any quarterback. I'm not the जो ball spray कर इतना effortless कर रहा है.
Manchester United will touch the 21st before Liverpool does.
Oh. I think either Vinny will leave or he will be kicked out of Madrid in the next 2 years.
Tactically, PL is the most overrated.
In the end, Arteta will be regarded as a better manager than Pep Guardiola.
If Barca didn't sign players like Lewandowski, Aubameyang, Luke De Jong back then, it would have been another AC Milan or Man United.
Called him the King Mo Salah. Don't slander him now. He's a great player. And I hate him. I hate Liverpool. I hate Salah. But don't hate the human. If you want to hate the player, don't hate the human he is.
भाई, if मैंने ये बहुत बार बोला है, if we win the next 2 games, we are announcing title charge. It's not about top 4.
वेलकम बैक टू राइवलरी रूम एवरीवन। ये है एपिसोड 7। क्विकली आज विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम गेटिंग इनटू दिस एपिसोड वी हैव आवर अमेजिंग पैनल ओवर हियर द कैल्सियो बॉयज चिंतन एंड अजय।
what's up? What's up? Ciao, ciao. What's happening?
And making the debut on Rivalry Room all the way from Delhi, Dhruv Reviews। और हमारा फैन पैनल जो बहुत इच हो रहा है आज डिस्कस करने के लिए एल क्लासिको। बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज टू यू ऑल। Before we move all the focus to them, leave a like on this video, subscribe to the Game On FC और आगे जाके hype भी कर देना और बोल देना next episode में आपको कौन-कौन चाहिए पैनल में। And if you want, come in the fan panel as well. All right, Madrid boys, please. I know you're waiting for something. बारसा फैंस क्या लग रहा है आपको भाई? क्या चालू है?
आई गेस ये मीम तो अभी रियल मैड्रिड के जो ग्रेटेस्ट मिडफील्डर थे मॉड्रिक उनसे ही सीखा है पेड्री ने, तो कुछ अप्लाई तो करना पड़ेगा।
याद नहीं है क्या? मेसी याद होगा ना आपको? तो
कहना पेड्री को अगर विनीशियस की जर्सी चाहिए मैं लेके आया हूँ, एड्रेस भेज देना, मैं जरा कुरियर कर देता हूँ।
ऑलराइट, द फैंस तो बात करने वाले हैं क्लासिको का फॉर श्योर। एक्सपेक्टेड मैड्रिड विन था, बट elephant in the room, Xavi Alonso is playing not like very Madrid. Madrid तो passionate fans है ना, थोड़े गुस्से उससे भाई कि ऐसे कौन खेलता है।
अरे यार ये दिस नैरेटिव तो यार मुझे अच्छा ही नहीं लगता है। इधर अपने फैंस में बैठे हुए हैं बोरिंग मैड्रिड, बट व्हाट डू यू वांट है? यू वांट 3 पॉइंट्स एंड स्पेशली अगेंस्ट अ टीम जिसके सामने तुम लास्ट टाइम 4 बार पिट चुके हो, हार भी नहीं पिट चुके हो। आई थिंक इट वॉज अ फैंटास्टिक गेम। आई थिंक रियल मैड्रिड पर्सपेक्टिव से एक्सपेक्टेड विन होता है लेकिन टर्न अप भी करना पड़ता है। एंड यू आर फेसिंग अ टीम विच इज़ हाई ऑन कॉन्फिडेंस। उसके बाद टू प्ले लाइक दिस, आई नो सब लोग बोलेंगे नैरेटिव के ओ एल क्लासिको थोड़ा बोरिंग था, बट यार रियल मैड्रिड को रिजल्ट चाहिए था एंड आई थिंक दे गॉट इट। सो आई एम गिविंग लाइक फुल कुडोस टू जाबी अलोंसो। जिसको बोरिंग फुटबॉल लगता है ये ना बॉस, आई थिंक 3 points आर मोर इम्पोर्टेंट। वो जैसे एलेग्री बोलता है, इफ यू वांट एंटरटेनमेंट गो टू द सर्कस।
फैंस आपको पूछता हूँ, एनी वन ऑफ यू आंसर, अगर जो मैं आपको एक ऑप्शन दूं, 4 एल क्लासिको जीतो एंड लूज विनी और lose the Clasico and keep winning, what would you prefer?
Keep the Vinny always. Vinicius, keep Vinicius.
You would sacrifice El Clasicos?
Wow. Yeah. I mean, if we have Vinny, we'll probably get the Champions League, which he has done 2 times. We lost when in the 2022 Champions League campaign. Carlo Ancelotti lost the Clasico by 4 goals. But we eventually went on to win the Champions League. Vinicius played a major role. So I always keep Vinny.
विनी चाहिए, उसकी वजह से हम सब जीतते हैं अभी ट्रॉफीज। अच्छा खेलता है अभी वो।
Wow, that's a surprising one.
Very surprising, very surprising.
Ajay bhai, I think you're very shocked. Please take it.
No, I would always go for the Clasicos because, you know, like club is bigger than the player, right? But, you know, coming to your question about the El Clasico,
मैं खुद भूल गया भाई, मुझे शॉक हो गया इधर।
नहीं, so Madrid passed the eye test and the stats also. Like they overperformed the XGs, deserved result. But for Barca fans, I think they can still be a little happy because they're still in it. Like don't count them out. It's a long season ahead. But first जो win है वो मद्रिद का है. But war अभी भी बाकी है. Just a small victory, but a major victory. So any day भाई, winning over your rivals over a player, for me at least.
Talking about a single player, everyone's talking about one player, one 18-year-old player. Dhruv bhai, I'm not going to beat around the bush over here. प्लेयर ने तो बोला है कि मुझे आप तोड़ो अगर जो मैं परफॉर्म नहीं करता हूँ, तो क्यों इतना फैन इफेक्ट हो रहा है? उसने तो बोल दिया है
भाई, उसने बोल दिया है, बट एक चीज होती है कि आपने करा नेशन लीग फाइनल से पहले भी एंड यू लॉस्ट इट, एंड देन यू डिड अगेंस्ट एल क्लासिको एंड यू लॉस्ट इट. तो कहीं ना कहीं फैंस, रियल मैड्रिड फैंस तो पीछे पड़ेंगे ही, एंड बार्सिलोना फैंस हैव टू टेक इट ऑन द चिन कि तुम्हारा प्लेयर अगर ये बोल रहा है तो देन उसके कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज होंगे. बट अब हो क्या रहा है कि वो वहाँ के बार्सिलोना फैंस आर नॉट रेडी टू टेक इट, स्पेशली जो आफ्टर मैच चीज़ें हुई हैं विनी यमाल के बीच में एंड देन कारवाहाल यमाल के बीच में. बट कमिंग टू द मैच, ओनली गोल बार्सा स्कोर्ड वाज ग्यूलर की मिस्टेक से. सो ऑल क्रेडिट टू ज़ाबी अलोंसो. अगर किसी को उसकी फुटबॉल नहीं पसंद आ रही है भाई, आई थिंक एक क्लब है इंग्लिश प्रीमियर लीग में जिनका मैनेजर अच्छा नहीं खेल रहा है और ज़ाबी उनका प्लेयर भी था, वो डेफिनेटली
पीएल पे आते हैं. दैट्स अ गुड पॉइंट. लेकिन ऑन दैट पॉइंट, बार्सा फैंस, क्या आपको लगता है कि यमाल से फोकस हटा के आपको खुद को आपके टीम पे ही फोकस करना चाहिए?
सी यमाल का जो पॉइंट है कि यमाल को बोलना चाहिए था नहीं बोलना चाहिए, आई थिंक इतना बड़ा पॉइंट नहीं है, क्योंकि फर्स्टली बहुत लोगों ने बहुत कुछ बोला है. एक टाइम पे एक 7 नंबर वाले जर्सी ने भी कुछ बोला था, फिर 5-0 हार गई थी टीम. तो मतलब ऐसा सोने की ज़बान नहीं कि वो बोलेगा हर बार जीतेगा. इसके पहले 4 बार जीत चुके हम, एंड स्कोर लाइन भी ऐसा नहीं था कि हम लोग 4-0 हारे हो. कि ओवर द ईयर्स 4 साल बाद लोग 4-0 शायद याद रखेंगे, 2-1 कोई याद नहीं रखेगा कि एक लॉस या विन हो गया. एंड अबाउट यमाल की थोड़ा एरोगेंट भी, हाँ थोड़ा एरोगेंट है, बट द थिंग इज कोई भी 18, 20, 22 साल के लौंडे को ले लो, थोड़ा एरोगेंस होता ही है. उससे निकलने के बाद यमाल कैसा होगा उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. आई डोंट थिंक इतना बड़ा डील है यमाल जो कर रहा है अभी. एंड खुद पे फोकस, देखो इंजरीज तो है, जो हमारा मेन प्लेयर था पेड्री वो भी अभी चला गया 1 महीने के लिए. तो वी लैक स्क्वाड डेप्थ. हमारे पास एक तो स्ट्राइकर नहीं है, वी नीड अ स्ट्राइकर, एक अच्छा सेंटर बैक चाहिए कि हमारा हाईलाइन का भी जगह लास्ट ईयर इन्हीं था तो मेंटेन था सब. तो हमारा डिफेंस और ऑफेंस थोड़ा सा लैगी है, बट आई थिंक जब भी पूरा स्क्वाड वापस आ जाएगा, पेड्री यमाल फुल्ली फिट होगा, रफीनी आ जाएगा, देन आई थिंक वी कैन ब्रेक एनीवन.
But yeah, I think first of all, people forget he's 18. Okay. Secondly, some players feed on this. Some players feed on this energy. कि मैं एक statement मारूंगा, मैं perform करूँ. नहीं, he said it, as you said, he said it. नहीं करूँगा तो बोलो मुझे. But some players feed on this confidence, and we have that in our Indian cricket team also. Virat Kohli feeds on this thing. So I don't understand this hate he's getting. Plus, he's 18 and he has walked the talk before also.
The whole thing I think has been blown out of proportion. And ये बहुत अभी जो media है, everything, I just
Is it because it was Carvajal and not Vinny? अगर जो विनी से वो भिड़ता तो no one would have, यहाँ दोनों ऐसे ही भिड़ रहे हैं. कारवाहाल को बोल दिया तो सीनियर कैप्टन, उसको बोल दिया स्पेनिश टीम
देखो,
का.
I love the spiciness. You need this in the game. You know, this is a rivalry. End of the day, you can't have the soft, utter woke nonsense derbies anymore. Man. I mean, and this is coming from like both of us who grown up in Serie A, जहाँ पे हर मैच एक soap opera है. Like my mom used to watch क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी and कहानी. For us it was Serie A because every game there was drama. We won that drama and end of the day it's
and not just this. I'm talking about डार्बीज और राइवलरीज में अगर ऐसे क्लैशेस नहीं हुए, लेट्स गो बैक टू वेंगर एंड फर्ग्यूसन. दे यूज्ड टू क्लैश. फॉरगेट द प्लेयर्स, वी हैव सीन देम क्लैशिंग. वी हैव सीन द टनल में जो हुआ था, वी हैव सीन द मिलान डार्बीज, वी हैव सीन द रोम डार्बीज. एल क्लासिको में भी हमने पहले देखा है. तो यार ये होने वाला है तो लेट इट बी, फ्यूल इट. आई फील लाइक ये कैरी दिस टू द नेक्स्ट एल क्लासिको.
और पर्सनली देखा जाए फ्रॉम द करंट एल क्लासिको, एक चीज़ मुझे बहुत अच्छी लग रही है विद लाइक ओल्ड वाइब्स आर कमिंग बैक.
बट जो इतना क्रिटिसिज्म मिल रहा है ना, क्योंकि उतना बुरा गेम था, ही वॉज पॉकेटेड बाय अल्वारो एंड देन उसको मिडिल में जाना पड़ा, स्टिल ही कुडंट डू एनीथिंग. इट वाज लाइक ही डिडंट शो अप भाई, एंड दैट इज वेयर दिस क्रिटिसिज्म कम्स इन कि जब आप इतना बोलते हो ना, एटलीस्ट शो अप. अगर आप मिस करते हो एक बात है, बट इफ यू कांट क्रिएट अ चांस प्रॉपर्ली, दैट्स अ डिफरेंट थिंग.
Would you argue वो इंजरी से फोर्सफुली उसको खिलाया गया ऑब्वियसली फॉर अ बिग ओकेजन, तो उसने खेला, ही वाजंट फिट, ही डिडंट हैव अ गुड गेम. ठीक है,
वो कह सकते हैं, लेकिन एट द सेम टाइम आई थिंक अगर मड्रिड भी लाइक अगर आपकी फुल बारसा भी होती ना, स्टिल मड्रिड वुड हैव वॉन दिस गेम. इट वाज जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ शेज़नी. जो स्कोर लाइन आपको दिख रही है वो थी. उसने पेनल्टी सेव करी, उसने 2-3 फ्लाइंग सेव्स मारी, बहुत बढ़िया सेव्स करी.
And see, when you talk about the banters, we were saying that old banters are back in El Clasico. When you saw that Yamal and Vinny were fighting, Carval was also involved. But I feel that Vinny should be the last person to be talking about him because, as you know about Vinicius Junior, he's been a lot of a controversial footballer. He's a very provoking player. जब भी वो फील्ड पे खेलता है किसी ना किसी के साथ झगड़ता ही रहता है, प्रोवोक करता रहता है. तो पर्सनली आई फील कि he should be the last person to be arguing or to be discouraging Lamine Yamal because कारवाल का भी अब अगर आप देखो तो कारवाल भी बैक इन 2017 he also showed middle fingers to Barca fans and all those things and he was not criticized for it because he was let go of it. So I feel कि it's unfair to target Yamal so much because you guys were the same back then.
This is a narrative on football Twitter with regards to Barca creators who are not supporting their own Barca players, right? It's trending right now.
I feel in football, especially for young players, discipline should be there on and off the pitch. So the point you made, Lamine Yamal is 18 years old. So I personally think he should not be making such statements specifically because he's 18 years old.
Come from your real ID, Arsene Wenger.
देखो ये डिबेट का कोई एंड नहीं है. 18 साल का है, नहीं बोलना चाहिए था, बोलना चाहिए था. लेकिन आपका जो ओपिनियन है यहाँ पे हमको नहीं सुना दे रहा है, तो प्लीज कमेंट्स में डाल दीजिए कि डू यू थिंक कि जायज़ है उसको क्रिटिसिज्म. क्या लगता है कि उसने खुद बोला है मैं क्रिटिसाइज करो तो ठीक ही है, तो क्यों हम इतना बड़ा डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं. एंड What would you rather take, Real Madrid fans? El Clasico wins or keep Vinny Junior? यहाँ पे तो भाई बहुत शॉकिंग रेवलेशन हुआ है मेरे लिए. We're going to move on to another heated derby जो आ रही है ये वीकेंड पे, और दो हमारे जो यहाँ पे पैनलिस्ट बैठे हैं उन दोनों के बीच में होने वाली है. It's going to be AC Milan versus AS Roma. And before we move ahead, by the way, अजय सर आपको कुछ इनको तोहफा देना है.
I have a small surprise for you. Chintan, you'll finally get to hold this. Do you remember this?
प्लीज हमारे दर्शकों को प्लीज बता दीजिए क्या है
तो
कॉन्टेक्ट.
भाई ये हमारे सेरिया फैन क्लब्स में जो 5-6 जन हैं हम लोग, we played a tournament. It was AC Milan versus AS Roma in the final, and as you can see from the colors, Roma won it. So
Twice.
So Chintan, I'm going to finally give you this because you can hold it for the first time ever. Clap.
जीत जाएंगे.
Just wanted to rub this in before the game.
ये तो आसन वाले भी बोलते हैं ना कि जीत जाएंगे. इट्स ओके, योर डे विल कम.
नहीं सर, इस बार डोमेस्टिक ट्रेबल आ रहा है आर्सेनल का.
Oh yes.
अरे वी हैव नॉट मूव्ड ऑन टू द अनपॉपुलर ओपिनियन सेगमेंट. बट बिग मैच ओवर हियर. ठीक है, मिलान अनफॉर्चुनेटली 2 draws कमिंग इनटू दिस. आफ्टर योर लास्ट टाइम मिनी स्टम्बल हुआ, बट अ गुड अमेजिंग Serie A बहुत टाइम के बाद. टेबल बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. ओके, which one of you is the most confident right now?
Milan are strong at home, to be fair.
I home में तो हारना नहीं चाहिए. I think, but I think
someone tell Liverpool that.
I think Ajay.
हाँ, we'll come to that. Yeah.
Ajay बोलेगा stop the count, top of the table. But yeah, I think this should be a great match. Unexpected. I'll be very honest. Do not expect Roma to be up there. Milan मुझे लगाता रहेगा in and out because Gasperini is a kind of a manager. उसको थोड़ा time लगता है to set his school of thought, जैसे बोल सकते हैं. But they're doing fantastically well. Only thing what I'm preaching here is Milan don't concede a lot of goals. Milan play well. Allegri is known for his defensive astuteness. So a great match. बोल नहीं सकते favorite कौन है इधर यार, because I think Roma would be happy with a draw, but I think Milan needs to win this one.
फेवरेट नहीं है, ठीक है. तो अजय भाई, then it's very simple. जो लूजर को एक मेंटल ब्लो लगेगा going into
100%. It's a big. The Serie A title race is very tight. Although Roma, again, even I'm surprised that we're there. Having said that, our goal is always to get back into the top 4. So जो top 6
come from your right account, Manchester United.
So the thing is that these games, the head-to-head games matter because in Serie A, goal difference doesn't count. Head-to-head counts. So as you've been seeing last couple of seasons, Champions League का जो qualification has been very tight. Roma missed out by 1 point last year. Milan missed out last year. So ये games बहुत matter करते हैं. And Milan at home, astuteness of Allegri, aka Haram Ball, very difficult to beat, man. I mean, that man knows how to grind out a result.
चिंतन भाई, जैसे मुझे राफेल लियो के बारे में पूछना है कि मतलब लाइक ही इज़ लाइक बीस्ट एट द लेफ्ट विंग, बट व्हेन ही स्कोर्स ही डजंट गेट द फ्लो ऑफ स्कोरिंग, लाइक वो फिर पोस्ट पे शॉट्स मारता है, क्रॉस बार पे जाता है, मतलब ऑफ टारगेट शॉट जाते हैं। लेकिन अगर वो पहले एक स्टार्टिंग के 10 मिनट्स में अगर एक गोल स्कोर कर रहा है तो लाइक जैसे मतलब मॉडरिच पूरा गेम खोल देता है, तो लेआओ का भी एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बनता है कि मतलब वो जो एक वो गोल स्कोरिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है तो वो स्कोर नहीं कर पाता, लाइक फॉर्म उसका डिप होते ही रहता है।
अभी आपने बोल दिया तो भी रोमा अगेंस्ट गोल मारने वाला है, क्यों बोला आपने, क्यों?
I think this is पहली बात तो this is whole thing youngster is not a youngster anymore first of all.
हमारे लिए यंगस्टर है।
बट जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ वेरी गुड पॉइंट, बिकॉज लियाओ का वो है एक फ्लेयर वाला प्लेयर है, फर्स्ट 5 मिनट्स वो नहीं खेलेगा अच्छा, उसकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज से पता चल जाता है ही इज़ नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन प्लेइंग एंड ही इज़ नेवर बिन गुड एट टेकिंग शॉट्स, सो उसकी मतलब एक्यूरेसी सो बैड, बट नाउ ही नीड्स टू स्टेप अप, ही इज ऑलवेज बिन लिंक्ड, यार एक फ्लैशीनेस हो गया है यार, एंड व्हाट हैपेंस इज वो अच्छे कपड़े पहनता है, रैप कर रहा है तो फ्लैशीनेस, लुक एट क्रिश्चियन पुलिसिच, simple guy, does his work, gives the results, but he's not in the limelight. But Rafa लियाओ 3 ड्रिबल कर देगा, नटमैग करेगा, लेकिन आउट रिजल्ट कुछ नहीं है।
एक टिकटॉक डालेगा, एक पेड पोस्ट डालेगा।
हाँ, so but I think he needs to up his game. He's there, otherwise and still Barca linked to him, so I don't know how.
AS Roma coming to you, इनका तो दुख दर्द पीड़ा सुन लिया है कि क्या हो सकता है क्या नहीं हो सकता है, बिकॉज अगर जो ये हारते हैं ये सीजन एंड डोंट फिनिश टॉप 4, दे आर लुकिंग इनटू पर्गेटरी। फॉर यू, आप पर्गेटरी टच करके बहुत बार वापस आए हो।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
टेक्निकली एडवांटेज इज इन योर कोर्ट।
It is, but see, I'm being very pragmatic, right? At this point of time, we're still at the early stage of the season. If we get a draw away at Milan, it's still a good result because again, lamba season hai, and we are trying to also do something in the Europa League. Hopefully, go on a deep run there as well. Fixtures are mounting up, but I believe that Gasperini has finally got it going. We have the best defensive record in Serie A, just 4 goals conceded at this point of time, and the problem has been with goal scoring, but uska bhi solution dikh raha hai with Dybala coming back, and honestly Annie, with Dybala, Roma look like a Champions League team, without him we look like a championship team. That is the sad reality, but it is what it is. That's the cards Gasperini has been dealt with, and I'm looking forward for an exciting season this year. Hopefully, we can ruffle some feathers and be there in the top 2, top 3 when it comes to the end of the season.
Head wise, you were confident that Roma is ahead over here in the last 5 matches. Milan not so much, but big advantage is कि Milan ये बार कुछ और competition नहीं खेलने वाली. It's 1 match a week, right? While you guys are focusing on Europa where you lost your last match.
We did, yeah.
Momentum एक चीज होती है, form एक चीज होती है, but I believe derbies में mainly it comes down to on the day who wants it more.
Yeah, I mean, this is a rivalry that goes way back. I mean, you can call it the Carlo Ancelotti derby. And I'm worried about that youngster, Luka Modric, man. I mean, he's been Milan's MVP this year. And the whole game revolves around. If we can stop Modric, I think, we can get something away at Milan.
Yeah, words. I'm running out of superlatives for Modric. He's played non-stop. Midweek भी खेला. You saw he's a little tired last game में, but उसने जो positional change किया है, he's playing in between the defense now. He's playing on a pure number 6. Ball distribution, any quarterback. I'm not जो ball spray कर रहा है, इतना effortless कर रहा है. I same thing. I feel he's the Milan का cog है, engine का. You stop him and Milan are worried. Milan will be worried, but I don't see. I don't see anyone right now जो उसको stop कर सकता है, because उसका जो उसका intelligence है, I think he's very intelligent. He can play multiple positions, so it's very hard to stop him because एक ball तो दे देगा, उसके set pieces भी amazing है. So for me, I think it's very hard to stop him. He will run the show. Milan might not have that much possession, but he will show up.
If you had an option to sign Kevin De Bruyne instead of Modric, would you have taken it?
No, I love Kevin De Bruyne, but Luka Modric is a different sauce for me.
De Bruyne is a Roma-coded player. I'm so pissed off he went to Napoli.
But मेरा एक अच्छा opinion है. I think when people like McTominay है, De Bruyne है, Rasmus Højlund है, especially जो of course. But I think the minute they've moved to Napoli, उनकी body language में, I think
aura points, 1000 aura points.
Look at McTominay. उसका एक photo मैंने देखा था pre नापोली मैक्टोमिने एंड पोस्ट नापोली
भाई,
भाई वो तो
मैनचेस्टर
पूरा मॉब इटालियन मॉब लगने लगा है
मैनचेस्टर के बार्बर्स अच्छे नहीं है, ये मेन बात है। नापोली में बार्बर्स अच्छे
इवन केविन डी ब्रुयने वो स्लीक हेयर बिहाइंड, मेरे को क्या खिला रहे हैं इनको नापोली में। टमेटोज ऑफ कोर्स आर वेरी फेमस, क्या खिला रहे हैं उधर यार। लाइक आई थिंक ये हॉलैंड भी मैं देखा सूट वूट में, बोला भाई इसको क्या हो गया है।
Who says pizzas are not good for you, man? Who says pizzas are not good for you?
Mamma mia.
Before we move ahead to the next segment, a quick discussion about Juventus. Good for you guys कि not for your Calcio friend over there जो बेचारा यहाँ पे नहीं है। अगर जो already they sense turmoil, it's good for you guys. There's one team less to worry about.
Amazing. First of all, it's very. I've been saying this since a very long time. Very unlike Juventus. First of all, या मैं अभी जो ये पूरे सीजन के स्कोर लाइन्स देखे, conceding 4 goals, 3 goals, this is very unlike them. Like 2 decades ऐसे देखे, Juventus के सामने 2 गोल मार दिया means you are done for the season. मतलब they hardly conceded. They've known for this Italian roughness, and to see them in this turmoil, and it's very shocking. And मतलब Tudor, however good, I've never rated him very highly, but to see them have a manager also like Tudor, you know, I was very surprised to be very. They are very old school that way. They tried to change their path. Thiago Motta के साथ नहीं हुआ. I thought they'll go old school. We got Allegri of course, but I thought I'm very surprised at how they're going. जो direction में जा रहे हैं. Because this is not Juventus are known पहले दरवाजा पीछे बंद करेंगे, बाद में आगे गोल मारेंगे.
But it didn't work with Thiago Motta. They wanted to modernize and play a brand new brand of football. It didn't work with Motta, and Mahatma Spalletti is another attacking coded manager, which is again very very strange कि UA went for Spalletti rather than Palladino or any other manager. So initially you will see the new manager bounce. I feel कि they will start scoring goals, but Spalletti, speaking from experience, he's a very rigid coach and he's got a lot of set ideas. And again, you will see soap opera developing in Turin because Spalletti है ही ऐसा आदमी. He will go and he'll be at loggerheads with everybody. So short term is okay. I think UA will kind of make it back into that top 4 conversation. But long term, is Spalletti the right man? Only time will tell.
People outside the Serie A fandom, how they see Serie A. कल Spalletti hire हुआ, everyone was like, ये लोग फिर से चले गए recycling their managers के इसमें. तो don't you think वो cycle कभी करना कभी हमें break करना चाहिए?
I have one question to you. Do you know Ashley Cole flopped at Roma?
Yeah,
and you know why?
I do.
But Serie A has got the best manager, so why should it be?
Italian managers over a period of time do well. अभी De Zerbi है, वापस आने वाला है Serie A में. And if you are getting, you want results, you want a league trophy right now. टाइम नहीं है, पैसा नहीं है किसी के पास कि हम लोग एक प्रोजेक्ट बनाएंगे. आर्टेटा जैसा आर्सेनल का टाइम नहीं है अपने पास. सो फॉर दैट, एंड आई थिंक आर्टेटा इज ऑल्सो रेडी मेड फॉर Serie A. मेरे को लग रहा है कल ही आ सकता है Serie A में. सो माई आइडिया इज दैट जो इटालियन मैनेजर्स कर रहे हैं, they've known as winners.
And it happens in every league. I mean, you look at Big Sam Allardyce. He's managed half of the clubs in the Premier League.
Because this narrative is very strong against Serie A.
Fans in the comments please let us know आपको क्या लगता है कि आपने बोला you want more Serie A conversation. आपके Calcio boys have given you all so much fodder to work on. Leave a like before you go ahead. Please leave a like right now and subscribe to the Game On FC. अब सबसे बेस्ट सेगमेंट मेरे लिए तो है, आई मीन द क्विज इज टेक्निकली द बेस्ट सेगमेंट, बट ये भी बहुत मजा आता है बिकॉज यहाँ पे दिस टाइम आई विल नॉट बी इन्वॉल्व्ड. यू ऑल कांट मेस विद मी इन द कमेंट्स. द मोस्ट अनपॉपुलर फुटबॉल टेक्स, पहले फ्रॉम द क्रिएटर्स एंड देन फ्रॉम द फैंस. नो थिंकिंग, ऑन टू यू चिंतन.
I think tactically PL is the most overrated. It's very sanitized, so it's most overrated.
A Serie A all-time 11 clears the La Liga all-time 11 and clears the PL all-time 11 by a country mile.
Manchester United will touch the 21st before Liverpool does.
Oh.
I don't know if it's unpopular, but I think either Vinny will leave or he will be kicked out of Madrid in the next 2 years.
Kicked out.
Kicked out.
Sean Dyche is better than Arne Slot.
Ronaldo and Messi is much better or greater than Pele, Maradona and Cruyff.
I think Yamal PR is overrated.
In the end, Arteta will be regarded as a better manager than Pep Guardiola.
Arsenal, Barcelona fans, Man City fans, assemble.
Sextuple is more important than three-peat.
Marcus Rashford is gonna win this year's Ballon d'Or.
Wow!
एक बोनस है ना हमको.
think despite the unpopular hatred against Vinicius, I believe he will have a very crucial role for Brazil's World Cup campaign.
If Barca didn't sign players like Lewandowski, Aubameyang, Luke de Jong back then, it would have been another AC Milan or Man United.
Those were the unpopular opinions on this episode. आपको रेज बेट लगता है तो लगने दो. Please let us know in the comments. Do you agree with them? Do you disagree with them? आपके खुद के डाल दो opinions based on what they have said. And before moving ahead, please leave a like on this episode. We're now moving on to, as what Ajay and Chintan have said, the most overrated league in the world, the Premier League.
Tactically, yes.
Tactically overrated league.
Chintan said it. मेरा नाम, why are you dragging me in the mud?
But it's rare in rivalry room that an Arsenal fan shows up. So I want to start with you, sir. Are you winning the treble?
I would say domestic treble, yes. But if it comes to UCL, I can't rule out Bayern and PSG yet.
Would you take the UCL or the Premier League? Only one.
Right now, Premier League.
Arsenal are making ground when everybody is dropping. ठीक है? This has to be it. It is their title to lose. Come on. I know it's early, but come on, yaar.
Has to be. This has to be their season. And ये जो हर season हो रहा था, you saw them drop points to. मेरे को याद है 2 season पहले they lost both the games to Villa. Losing to Crystal Palace or drawing against them was always their thing. Was they're closing down games this season. वो Newcastle का भी victory था, pretty much in the end, turning it around. They are doing this season. वो जो छोटे teams को, no disrespect, but smaller teams comparatively, जो pushing them aside, shoving them aside with a 1-0 signature victory. Boss it, and they look confident. And they're not panicking. Even against Newcastle, I saw 80th minute, they were not panicking. They are doing it this season, and there is a method. जैसे बोले method to madness. They are pretty much, जैसे everyone criticized the starting 11 against Liverpool. Merino को खिलाया, Zubimendi को खिलाया, Rice को खिलाया. But he has a certain idea. उसको एक idea है क्या करना है. Set pieces में तो they are of course the masters. So I think he knows एक method to madness लग रहा है. You see them a different flavor में, थोड़े Champions League में थोड़ा different लग रहा है. They're little different when they play. You see Calafiori को left back से किधर खिला रहा है. He moves in the center. There are different triangles he's forming. I think it's amazing to see what he's doing. उसने Pep को हराम बॉल खिला दिया.
For United fans who are copying out of the top 4 race, want Arsenal to obviously win so that Liverpool doesn't win 21. But what do you think, Dhruv, by very honest way with you, ठीक है? अगर जो आप Nottingham Forest और Spurs से हारते नहीं हो, why can't you take 4th away from Chelsea even?
भाई, मैंने ये बहुत बार बोला है, if we win the next 2 games, we are announcing title charge. It's not about top 4. ठीक है?
One game a week, Man United.
आपने अभी बोला Man City 16 points, Manchester United also 16 points. We play 1 game a week, okay, till January. No Carabao Cup for us, unfortunately. January तक आप कुछ नहीं खेल रहे. AFCON में you have a problem. आपके 7 fixture है. एम्ब्यूमो जाएगा बट उसका गोलकीपर ओनाना है, वो जल्दी वापस आ जाएगा. वी ऑल नो दैट. उसके बाद अमादी एक प्रॉब्लम है. आई थिंक जनवरी में यू साइन राइट विंगर और राइट विंग बैक और यू साइन द मिडफील्डर CDM. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हम टाइटल जीत ही जाएंगे. मैं कह रहा हूँ वी कैन डेफिनेटली गिव देम अ कंपटीशन.
See, if we look at 2 next game weeks, so next game, this upcoming game week, Man City is going to play Bournemouth. And Liverpool will play Aston Villa, and after that Liverpool and Man City will fight each other. So going into the upcoming international break, Arsenal might have 12 and 13 points lead over them. It is quite possible. So if we consider that Bournemouth and Sunderland will afterwards it will go away, then having 12 and 13 points leading up to, let's say, Boxing Day, then I guess title will get done by the end of Jan.
Wow. At the same time, you will just have 6 points lead from Manchester United.
We'll see that.
If you are thinking you will win, I'm also thinking we will win.
But now you have to come to Emirates. We don't have to come to Old Trafford.
Annie.
अगर विंटर में प्रीमियर लीग जीतते होते तो वेंगर would have had the most titles actually. So but that is it.
Yeah, I can see 2 people fighting और तीसरा आके वो लेके जाएगा, which is Pep Guardiola.
Spurs are still the problem for United.
Spurs will always be a problem for many teams, but again, Spurs are a problem for City also. सिटी ने कितने टाइम से हरा नहीं था स्पर्स को. So, but the thing is, even if they manage to draw that game, I plus don't count them out. I think they can still win it यार, मतलब जीत सकते हैं. But वो Nottingham Forest ज़्यादा important है स्पर्स से, because Nottingham are not doing well. उधर अगर ड्रॉ कर दिया, that Spurs game में बहुत प्रेशर आ जाएगा.
From relax guys, it's Tottenham to Spurs is your bogey team. We have all grown up.
I mean, on the United thing, I think we really talk about Casemiro. Like when the Carragher made the statement and everyone thought he'll go to Saudi. He's
वो
washed.
Carragher है यार, उसको
And
कौन
but
seriously लेता है?
Casemiro, we have seen in recent matches, he's so crucial. Even in the Brighton game, when he got subbed out, before Casemiro got subbed out, it looked like a one-sided affair. But when he got out and suddenly United consumed 2 goals, so I think he just gives the assurance like he is there. He's involved in the playmaking, defensive
Winner है यार.
efforts.
He's a winner.
Elite mentality.
मेंटालिटी बहुत मैटर करती है उस प्लेयर की. वे वी बीट ब्राइटन, द वे वी बीट ब्राइटन इन द फर्स्ट हाफ बाय 3, like we were 3-0 until Casemiro went out. हमने 2 गोल कंसीड कर दिए. That is Manchester United heritage these days.
मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड की बात तो ऑब्वियसली होती रहेगी जब लिवरपूल की बात होती है, बिकॉज द डिबेट विल ऑलवेज रेज ऑन हु इज एक्चुअली द बिगेस्ट क्लब इन इंग्लैंड, नो मैटर हु इज द रेनिंग चैंपियन. कमिंग टू लिवरपूल, सिंस इट मस्ट बी डिस्कस्ड, हैज टू बी डिस्कस्ड, द गेही डार्बी जो हम आजकल बुलाते हैं उसको, 3 times this year already.
By the way, Crystal Palace admin is watching rivalry room, I guess. Because yesterday he posted the score line with a Gehi image on the social media thing. So, कर लो यार, अभी तो सब Crystal Palace खुद बोल रहे कि ले जाइए तो ले लो.
I'll direct it to you only. Are you worried कि आपकी season is on the verge of slipping until Man City? Man City से हार गए तो आपकी season खत्म हो जाएगी? क्या लग रहा है आपको?
Yeah, because right now इस टीम को एक्चुअली बैठ के बात करने की ज़रूरत है. इट्स दैट बैड राइट नाउ. क्योंकि हम लास्ट एपिसोड आई रिमेंबर आई वाज जस्ट सेइंग कि स्क्वाड डेप्थ का इशू है वगैरह ये वगैरह. बट जो कल का कैरावो कप का भी गेम था, आई थिंक स्लॉट ने ना कल A टीम खिलानी चाहिए थी, नॉट द B टीम.
बट व्हाई?
जस्ट बिकॉज कॉन्फिडेंस भी
का
लैकिंग
मैच है, आपके पास रियल मैड्रिड है, उसके बाद फिर मैन सिटी.
या तो अभी क्या है, यू जस्ट नीड टू गेट दैट विन फ्रॉम समवेयर. इट्स दैट बैड. बिकॉज ब्रेंटफोर्ड के अगेंस्ट भी आई हैव नेवर सीन इन माई लास्ट 5 years जो लिवरपूल को मैं देख रहा हूँ कि वैन डाइक के शोल्डर्स ड्रॉप डाउन हो गए. साला वैन डाइक टाइटल विनिंग प्लेयर्स है, दे नो हाउ टू ग्राइंड रिजल्ट्स ऑर्डर वगैरह. तो करना पड़ेगा, बैठ के बात करना पड़ेगा. स्लॉट ऑल्सो नीड्स नॉट टू बी stubborn anymore.
That's a problem, I think.
Yeah.
He's stubborn.
Yeah,
He's
stubbornness
stubborn.
हटानी पड़ेगी.
Last week our panelist said he's earned the right to be stubborn.
You have a right to be stubborn. You are the defending champions, but at what expense? You are losing 6 out of 7. You are slipping. मतलब slippery slope नहीं है भाई, ये तो पूरा downhill जा रहा है. मतलब it's crash mode पे आ गया है अभी. Again, I would want to say something else also, that वो starting में भी जो games जीते थे, I think Nidhi said it before, starting में those were also last minute winners. So problem तो उधर से भी था. They just ended up winning those games.
Yeah,
You know,
every time Liverpool lose, I wake up in the morning, scroll my feed for Sunil's video.
काफी सारा चीज मैंने पढ़ रहा है ऑनलाइन. Many Liverpool fans are slandering Salah. My question to you is, इतना उसने ऑलरेडी लिवरपूल को दे चुका है. Do you think they need to slander him or?
भाई, there's this famous Batman quote: if you don't
Yeah,
if you live long
enough,
enough, you become the villain. भाई, अब वही हो गया यार उसके साथ, बेचारे के साथ. इट्स लाइक उसकी गलती नहीं है. अगर लोग उसको चिल्ला रहे हैं फ्लोरेंटीना पे कि लास्ट मोमेंट उसने क्यों ट्राई करा, उसने वर्ड्स को पास क्यों नहीं दिया. भाई वो भी तो शॉट ऑन कॉन्फिडेंस है. 5-1 ऊपर हो, वो किसी और को पास क्यों दे. उसने इतने गोल मारे हैं, एंड द गोल ही स्कोर्ड अगेंस्ट ब्रेंटफोर्ड ऑल्सो. भाई अमेजिंग गोल जो तुम्हें वापस लाया. साला को तो यार अब वो दिया जा रहा है, बट द मेन प्रॉब्लम लाइज बैक इन द विंग बैक. एक गेम 4-4-2 खेला जहां पे क्या होता है कि आपका थोड़ा मिडफील्डर पीछे होता है तो विंग बैक्स को एक सपोर्ट मिल जाता है. यू गाइस थ्रैश्ड 5-1. आके उसने चेंज कर दिया ब्रेंटफोर्ड में. क्रिस्टल पैलेस में उसने पता नहीं क्या लाइन अप खिलाया.
So you're saying Eric Ten Hag, sorry, Slot is absolutely stubbornly clueless or what? So are you saying he is nervous and clueless and just rambling in the media?
अगर आपने वो जंबल वर्ड्स देखे, बचपन में जंबल लेटर आते थे, अगर आप स्लॉट को थोड़ा जंबर करो तो वो लॉस्ट आता है. ठीक है, he is lost. He is completely lost right now.
We've personally felt the Dutch fraud. So this is another Dutch fraud who's just got lucky last season. And I have one more point about Salah. Coming from a United fan, you called him an Egyptian king. You called him the King Mo Salah. Don't slander him now. He's a great player. And I hate him. I hate Liverpool. I hate Salah. But don't hate the human. if you want to hate the player, don't hate the human he is.
Well said. I totally agree.
Redemption arc in the comments coming. Redemption arc in the comments. देख लो. अगर जो आप अग्री करते हो एमोरिम के बारे में, स्लॉट के बारे में, कौन पहले सैक होगा, क्या हम बहुत रिएक्शनरी बन रहे हैं, अभी भी प्रीमियर लीग का टेबल कच्चा ही है, 9 ही गेम हुए हैं. लेट अस नो इन द कमेंट्स व्हाट यू थिंक. Who do you think is going to end up outlasting the other, Amorim or Slot mainly? Leave a like on this video as well, and please subscribe to the Game on FC. Up before we go on to the last big quiz segment, जो everybody is waiting for, especially on the hot seat here, the panelists, we have to mention. We mentioned the Egyptian king over here, but the English king, Harry Kane, and Bayern Munich, absolutely destroying it this season, guys. Ajay bhai, first to you. Come on, man. That guy deserves
best player in the world currently in terms of form. I think Harry Kane has been absolutely killing it this year for Bayern. And look at his evolution. वो जो Dortmund के against goal मारा था Bayern ने. Look where he won the ball, you know, and he's become a complete forward. He's assisting, he's scoring. Man can do nothing. He's won a trophy also now. So wo a big monkey off his back. I think if he can continue and win a Champions League this year with Bayern, who knows? Harry Kane, Ballon d'Or could happen.
First of all, I think जो English media used to है सबको hype करने के लिए, unfortunately works against Harry Kane.
Yeah.
Poor guy does not get the hype he deserves. Outstanding player. I think he could have fit in any team. I think वो इतने time Spurs पे रहा. Kudos to him for his loyalty. He stayed there 1 or 2 seasons, a little more. पर अभी गया है and सब लोग बोले Farmers League. अरे boss, just look at what he is doing over there. And as he said, complete striker. I think I will go one step ahead, and I know Lewandowski, Suarez have been doing wonderful, but जो Harry Kane consistency रहा है 6-7 seasons in a row, outstanding. As he said, best number 9 in the world for me right now.
भाई I think definitely the best player in the world right now, and I think जो वो खेल रहा है it has been too good, but मुझे सिर्फ एक लगता है कि like future won't remember him as great अगर वो इस साल Champions League नहीं जीता, because पता है क्या होगा अगर आपके पास 4 Bundesliga टाइटल हैं, people will say a European trophy with Spurs would have mattered more than 4 Bundesliga titles with Bayern Munich. That would have left a better legacy because अभी तक वो English League का top scorer भी बन चुका होता all time.
But then again, I read a lot of things that he shouldn't have left Spurs because he should have finished English top scorer. I think trophies are more important.
100%.
Yeah,
but मैं कह रहा हूँ अब
Spurs के साथ
जीत गई है तो अगर वो उस टीम का पार्ट होता तो अभी की लेगेसी उसकी way better होती.
With all due respect, Alan Shearer को भी mostly people remember him because he's on top of the leaderboard, not for actually what he did for Newcastle, which was way more impactful.
True. And I think वो जो last season से गोल मारा था, जो Bundesliga का logo है, it's pretty much the goal he scored to mid-air में ball को block करके, control करके to score that goal.
Give the Ballon d'Or to Harry Kane क्योंकि वो जिस हिसाब से खेल रहा है ना is unmatched at this point of time. Because even me being a Madrid fan, I also support Mbappe. But if you compare Mbappe and Harry Kane at this point of time, I would go with Harry Kane.
That was about Harry Kane, एक player who deserves all the roses and all the appreciation. जीतेगा कि नहीं Ballon d'Or? Does he deserve it? आप comments में बता दो हमको. But right now, it's the moment you've all been waiting for. The rivalry face-off, guys! अभी creators और fans, by the way, tied है overall in this season 2 so far.
No pressure.
पसीने हो रहे, सीट गीली हो गई यहाँ पे creators की, okay? Re-explaining last time's rule. Every side, each team gets 3 passes. If they get the pass correct, it's only 0.5 points, not 1 point. All right? Are we ready, fans?
Yes.
Are we ready, creators?
Yes,
Let's go.
All right, starting round 1 with Chintan. Very easy one for you.
अरे बोल के pressure डाल देना है.
सच में.
2014 Copa del Rey final. Gareth Bale ने मार्क बात्रा को obviously ball touch line से लेके गोल मारा था. Who was the Barca keeper?
9, 8.
Valdez.
Confidently wrong answer. The right answer is Jose Manuel Pinto.
Oh, Pinto.
Current score is still 0 to the creators. Fans, on to you. Mr. Aryaman, are you ready? David Beckham AC Milan के लिए खेला था. उसकी जर्सी नंबर क्या थी?
23.
So close. उल्टा नंबर बोल दिया. The right answer is 32. That was a good attempt. That was a good attempt. Trick question था. Well done. Unfortunately, the fans are still on 0 as well. 0 to you guys also. Let's get on the leaderboard. Ajay, on to you. Which non-Italian player who has played for more than one club in the Serie A is in the top 10 appearances list?
Zlatan Ibrahimovic.
Wrong answer!
I should have thought more.
You should have thought more.
I
The
should have
right
thought more.
answer is Handanovic.
Ooh, Samir Handanovic.
Current score is still 0 to the creators. Fans, Mr. Nikhil, on to you. Rio Ferdinand played for West Ham, Leeds, United and QPR. And one more team which is currently in the Premier League this year.
Sunderland.
That was a decent guess क्योंकि उसका linkage कभी होता था, but the right answer is Bournemouth. Bournemouth on loan for 10 matches. The fans are still on 0. The creators are still on 0. Dhruv bhai, redemption arc for you for the creators. Starting now. Yes? Most consecutive PL home wins. Which team?
9, 8, 7, 6.
I'll go with Manchester United.
Wrong answer. The correct answer is Liverpool with 24. Wow. Current title sponsor of the Serie A.
GXR.
Unfortunately, आपका आंसर बफरिंग पे रह गया. The correct answer is
ENI. It rhymes with you. Annie.
Nice try, guys. Nice try. The fans after round 1 are on 0. The creators are on 0. The highest goal scorers for AC Milan in the Champions League. They are tied. There are 2 players.
7,
बोल दे भाई.
6,
Shevchenko and
3.
That's correct.
Van Basten.
I heard you whispering. It was Filippo Inzaghi.
Why are you doubting yourself?
Current score is still 0-0 to the creators.
Why?
Fans, let's start your khata. Mr. Sahil, on to you. Who has the highest scoring draw in the Premier League history?
Arsenal Newcastle.
Wrong answer. It was Sir Alex Ferguson's last
West
match.
Brom.
5-5 West Brom. The Lukaku derby, like we called it back then. The fans are buckling. The creators are buckling. Zeros all around. Guys, kya chalu hai? All right, Ajay, let's see if we can get on the leaderboard. Right? Let's go. Which team has a record for the most consecutive away wins in Serie A?
Inter Milan.
Are you confident with that answer? 100%. It's AS Roma. The scoreboard is still 0 to the creators and 0 to the fans. आप क्या हंस रहे हो भाई? इधर 0 हर जगह पे चालू है. Which team won the very first inaugural La Liga in 1929?
1929. FC Barcelona.
Are you confident with that answer?
Yes.
Great answer. The fans are on the leaderboard. Finally, the duck has been broken. It's 1 to the fans and 0 to the creators. Mr. Dhruv, on to you. In the all-time, or you can say in the top 10 all-time PL appearances, there is only one non-UK player. Who is he? He's a goalkeeper. Chalo.
Can you pass it to me? No, can you pass it to me, please?
You can pass it to him, not to you.
No. I know the answer. I know the answer.
Peter check.
It's Brad
That's
Friedel.
the wrong answer.
Brad Friedel.
The right answer is Mark Schwarzer.
Schwarzer.
The creators are absolutely sitting on 0 after 2 rounds. The fans are leading. Applaud for yourself, guys. In Europe's top 5 leagues, in that season, Lionel Messi had 20 plus assists. Okay? Along with him, another player from Europe's top 5 leagues was tied. Who was that player?
Thierry Henry?
Wrong answer. Henry kabhi tha, Messi kabhi tha. The right answer is Thomas Muller.
Okay.
The fans are still leading on 1 though. An easy question for you.
Yeah.
Which African team has won AFCON the most number of times?
चाहिए.
Okay, so Chintan is passing it on. If Ajay gets it right, it's 0.5.
Is it Egypt?
Correct answer, King Mo Salah. So that is finally the creators on board at 0.5. Fans are still leading on 1. Prince, on to you. Which Premier League team has the infamous record of losing 9-0 twice? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
1,
5, 4, 3. The fans chose not to answer that question. The correct answer is Southampton. They got beaten by Manchester United and Leicester City. Moving on to the creators, so they get on the leaderboard over here.
0.5.
Your 0.5, and the fans are on 1 in the modern UCL era. The modern UCL era. Which Slovakian player has the most UCL goals?
Is it Marek Hamsik?
What an amazing answer, yaar. Amazing. What a great answer. That is 1.5 to the creators. Fans, don't bottle it. It's on to you. West Brom, Norwich, Leicester और एक टीम tied है for being promoted to the Premier League most times. Which is that team?
Guess later away. Southampton, I guess.
That's the wrong S. It's Sunderland, the correct answer. That's a great guess, but unfortunately, that's the wrong one. The fans remain on 1. The creators are now leading on 1.5. The Champions League has been won only once by a team from Romania, which is that team. If you know, you can get past.
Steaua Bucharest.
Amazing ball knowledge, guys. They're on to 2 points now with 2 passes done. 1 pass remaining. The fans are on 1. The creators are on 2. Which La Liga club has the nickname El Submarino Amarillo?
Don't say it. No prompting going.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 8, 5, 4, 3, 2. Take on random guess, yaar. The fans again decline to answer. The fans remain on 1 point. The creators are on 2. Done with 2 passes, only 1 remaining. Which non-Italian player has 600 plus all-time Serie A appearances?
Pass it.
You have 1 pass left.
Confident?
No, but can take a gamble.
Take it, pass it.
Javier Zanetti.
What ball knowledge, guys! My God, this is amazing.
I was going to take the same name.
The current score is 2.5 to the creators who are playing the game beautifully. Fans, please learn. Who won the 2025 Women's Ballon d'Or?
Bonmati.
That's amazing, guys! Good job! I love that confidence. Look at the confidence in his eyes. That's 2 to the fans and 2.5 to the creators. Who assisted Götze's World Cup winning goal?
Andrea Schürrle.
Are you sure? Lock kiya jaye. 100%. Amazing! That's the right answer! Ajay is undefeated, man. Wow. That's 3.5 to the creators and 2 to the fans. Manchester United की जो पहली टीम बोली जाती थी, the Busby Babes. उसके बाद Sir Alex Ferguson has taken over. We had the class of 92. ठीक है? They were part of this elite nickname coined by the media. What was that nickname given to Sir Alex Ferguson's team?
5, 4, 3,
Red Devils.
2, 1.
That is the wrong answer. The correct answer is Fergie's Fledglings. So technically the creators have won.
Well played, boys. Well played, boys.
That was it for episode 7 of the Rivalry Room. If you enjoyed the episode, please leave a like, subscribe to the Game On FC, hype the video. अगर जो आप agree करते हो, नहीं agree करते हो हमारे creators के साथ, fans के साथ, तो क्यों, कैसे, why? Give us your opinions. We really want to know. Who do you want to see in next week's panel? We are really looking forward to your comments. Really, we are. But until then, keep watching Rivalry Room and subscribe to
Game On FC.